Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Redmi Watch 4. And under it, there should be this button or category called Manage Watch Faces. Tap on it. And here we have a list of categories. Select the custom category. And here we have couple of basically styles of the watch face. We have one with this type of clock, this type of clock, this type of clock, and this one and this one. So select the style you like. Let's say this one. After you select the style, you can customize your watch face a bit. You can change the color of the accents. And once you scroll down, you will see this option, slideshow basically, and you can tap on the plus button, and here you can select the photos app you like, for example this one. It will open the photos app. Now we can select the let's say pictures, and here we have the pictures we can use as a watch face. So let's say I want to use this one, so I'm gonna tap on it to select it. Now we need to crop the image because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so we need to select the part of it, and you can zoom in, zoom out, move left and right. So let's say I want to take this part of the picture, tap on continue, and the photo was added. You can also add more photos. You can add up to 8 photos. So let's say we want to add another one, maybe this one. Select the part of it and tap on continue. And once you're done adding the pictures and you selected the color of the accent you like, should be visible, I guess. Tap on apply. It's gonna start installing, and after it's done, it should be applied on your watch. As you can see, it was applied. And if you have more than one picture as a watch face, you can tap on the current picture or current watch face to cycle between them, or if you wake up the screen on your watch, so let's say the screen turns off, and we need to wait until it turns off, like this, and then you wake up the screen, it should also change the watch face, like this. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.